Is there anything that cannot be wrapped in bacon? Oh no. Check this out. I love it. Hey guys, it's Rob from the Barbecue Pig Dog channel. Yeah, I live in a military town. I love it. Wow, that was two Hawkeyes. I haven't seen those in a long time. Hey, guess what? I got tagged by Wee Wee's World. What she is doing is called bacon bombs. Now, I just did some potato bombs not too long ago with Papa Texas, and I'll stick that link up there for that. Now, these are bacon bombs. I mean, what is better than bacon? Are you serious? Okay, here's how her bacon bombs go. Okay, here's what we got to do. You got to get some biscuits in the can. That's right, canned biscuits. You wrap that around something, then you take that mess that you have there and you wrap bacon around it. Okay, now she's tagged a few other channels to do this, and everything that I've seen so far, everybody fried. Okay, but this is the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. I don't usually fry anything. Okay, my stuff's on the grill or the pit barrel cooker like it is today. So we're going to do a little experiment. I've never cooked a biscuit on there before. I have wrapped some other things with bacon, but we're just going to do a little experiment and see how this bacon bomb works out. So hope you'll hang in there till the end, watch it all, see if Duke likes it, because I guarantee he's going to get a bite when he smells that bacon cooking. He's going to be chasing me around like a you-know-what. All right, you guys hang on. Here we go. To start the bacon bomb here, I've got a little bit of, well, I got some boiled eggs. I got some biscuits. All that meat up there, that's some leftover baby back ribs. And I'm going to wrap it with this bacon. So I'm going to get this biscuit and we're going to flatten it out. That's a whole biscuit. Flatten it out like a little pizza dough. Oh, the pizza. There we go. Now we're going to wrap that boiled egg up right there. Just give it a try. There it is. And now we're going to wrap that biscuit and boiled egg with just one slice. I got thick cut bacon. That's all I can get today. So we're going to give it a wrap. Give it a wrap around both sides. And just like that, it's ready to go. All right, now here's the next one. We're going to use some of this leftover baby back rib meat. Put some of that in there. We're going to wrap it up again, using that biscuit we flattened out like a little pizza dough. And then I'm going to break out another slice of that thick cut bacon. Kind of wrap it one direction, roll it over, kind of spin it a little bit, and then roll it over the other way. Now, I didn't have any toothpicks handy, so after I wrapped I did 2 of each. After I wrapped these, I put skewers on them. Now I'm putting a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper on there. All right, now out to the pit barrel cooker. She's already fired up, hot. I'm gonna stick these on here. I think that's there we go. Got all 4 of them on there. Heck, I don't know. 2 of them got the rib meat, 2 of them got the eggs in there. Put the rebar back in, slap this on. Okay, I let them go for 1 hour and 10 minutes. And I flipped them over after about 30 minutes. And they cooked anywhere from 230 to about 280. I just cooked long enough to get the bacon done. And there you can see one of the ones with the eggs. Oh, the egg blew throughout the side of the biscuit. That's a failure. They still look pretty good though. You got your bacon wrapped biscuit, boiled egg right there. All right, these bacon bombs, they're done. They cooked about an hour and 10 minutes on the pit barrel cooker. I let them rest about 10 minutes. Now the one with the egg, I don't know. The first one blew out, the second one's falling apart. You know, I'm not much on eggs anyway, but I thought I'd give it a shot for the breakfast thing. And the one with the, I said pulled pork. It's actually leftover baby back rib meat, but I don't know what I said. Anyway, that's what it is. But when you slice it open, you can see a little bit of that rib meat in there. Looked more like a damn dog treat to me. I gotta dig down in my pocket here though, because you always gotta have a little Texas Pete on it. Because no meal is complete without a little Texas Pete. Okay. Here we go with the bacon, egg, biscuit, bacon bomb. Big bite, you ready? That's really pretty good. It's not bad. I think the mistake I made, especially with the eggs, actually with both of them, I shouldn't have used a whole biscuit. I think Wee mentioned that in her video. Should have used a half a biscuit. I think she used a quarter biscuit on hers. She just wrapped cheese in hers, but fried it and it cooked pretty much like that compared to what I did mine in. Let's try that one with the leftover baby back rib meat in it. Should I take that bite or this bite? I think I'll take this one. I'll give Duke this other one. Here we go. Not bad either. Too much biscuit. That's the problem. They're still delicious. They're very good. Make them with a half a biscuit. Wrap whatever you want with a half a biscuit. Stuff it full of whatever you got to stuff it with. Wrap it with bacon. It's good. The biscuit's cooked perfect. It's good. It just tastes like a biscuit with a little bit of rib meat and a little bit of bacon on it. And just a touch of smoke, barely. All I did was use charcoal, but it's good. It's very good. I know how to make them better next time though, and so do you. All right, that's it for the bacon bomb and the tag by Wee-Wee's World. And I'm not gonna tag anybody. If you're interested in these, make them yourself. You can wrap that biscuit around whatever you want, okay? And you can fry them. You don't have to cook them on the grill. Apparently the fried ones are much better from what I've seen all these other videos, and a lot quicker too. But I like mine. They're not bad. All right, guys. I appreciate you watching the Barbecue Pig Dog channel. It's time to give my buddy Duke a bite. Until next time, y'all take care.